Hi guys, my name is Rahul and this is the unboxing of Honor 8X. Honor 8X is the latest device from Huawei's Honor brand. It was launched in October itself. This is the box and let us have a look around the box. On the back side you can see that there is some specs mentioned. So it is a octa-core CPU, that is the Kirin 710, and it has 4GB RAM, 64GB variant. It is a FHD plus display. It has 20 plus 2 MB rear camera, 16 MB front camera. It supports voice over LTE. It has fingerprint sensor. It has 3700 mAh battery. On the top we can see that there are something mentioned. Let us zoom in. Okay, the price is given as 17,999, but it is sold for much lesser price, and month and year of import is September 2018. It's a new device, so let us see. On the bottom we can see that it is the blue in color and it has the 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM variant. Unfortunately it is not a made in India device, it is a made in China device. Okay, so Honor 8X actually comes in black and blue colors. It also has a red variant that will be coming later. The 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 14,999. 6GB RAM with 64GB storage variant actually costs around 16,999, and the 6GB variant with 128GB storage comes for 18,999. On the box on the top side you can see the device itself, and there are some paperwork and some stickers, and there is the charger. Let us zoom in and see whether it supports quick charge or not. Okay, it is a Huawei branded charger. Let us see the specs of the charger to see whether it supports some kind of quick charging. It does not seem to support quick charging. It is mentioning it is a 5V 2A charger, so there is no quick charging. Let us see whether Huawei has moved on to, or the Honor has moved on to USB Type-C cable, or the USB Type-C port, which is the latest one. It's kind of unfortunate that Honor 8X comes with a micro USB cable or the micro USB port. Every manufacturer should be moving into USB Type-C port. Let me see what's inside this pouch. Okay, you have the SIM card ejector tool, then you have the quick start guide, let me zoom in. Yeah, then we have Huawei's warranty card, then there is this transparent TPU case. It's a decent quality one. I think it's better than the one that comes with Xiaomi devices. Let me put it aside. Let me put all these things so that we can have a good look around the device itself. Okay, let me remove the phone from this plastic. Wow, this is a really shiny phone. It looks really great. I mean, it looks really premium. It does not look like it is a 15,000 phone. It's really shiny, it's very reflective. Honor says that they have made this device with some 15 layers of glass layering, some manufacturing or something like that, so that it looks this good. Let me remove all the stickers so that we can see this device in its full glory. This looks really good, I have to say that. This reflects light in different sides. You can see that light reflects through it in different ways. I think it has some kind of oleophobic coating too, because of that smudges or the fingerprint smudges are not very visible. That's also a good thing. Okay, on the front you can see that there is a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. It has a notch. On the notch you can see 16 MP camera, the speaker grill and the sensor also. It also has some kind of protective layer. On the top you can see that there is a microphone, and on the side the power button and the volume rocker key. On the bottom 3.5mm headphone jack, the microphone, micro USB cable port, the speaker grill also is present there. And on the back side there is a dual 2MB plus 20MB camera, flash, then it is mentioned AA camera, fingerprint sensor, and there is the Honor branding. So let me turn on the device. I will just cut the part so that we can go directly into the, I will try to cut it out. So let me try this transparent case first. It is really snug fit. Let me turn it on. I will cut the remaining part so that we can straight away jump to the home screen. Okay, let me look into settings. Okay, so it is mentioned that EMUI version 8.2, Android version 8.1. There is 52.3 GB free in the 64 GB variant. Then there is September 2018 security patch also. So that's it. Also, I do have to mention that this phone also comes with a dedicated dual SIM and micro SD card slots. That's something rare nowadays because we see a lot of hybrid SIM slot devices. So that is it for unboxing. Thank you for watching. Peace.